Cutting and welding tips can develop very small obstructions in the orifices of the tip. As the tip is used over time, tiny pieces of dirt and debris and the constant heating and cooling of the tip cause these obstructions to occur, and they must be removed for the tip to function properly. Uniweld tip savers are the tools designed for this procedure. Start by cleaning any soot or debris left on the tip end. I'm going to use the cuff of a glove, but a towel or rag works as well. Rub the tip end on a clean part of the glove. Only resort to using the file included in the tip savers for debris that the leather glove will not remove. If using the file, ensure that you remove only the debris and do not file or remove any of the copper tip end. Next, select the wire that is slightly smaller than the orifice of the tip. Do not force the wire into the orifice. The wire should easily slide into it. Insert the wire fully into the orifice one time and remove. Resist the urge to insert the wire repeated times. Doing this only creates a filing action, which will cause the perfectly round orifice to become egg-shaped. If the wire becomes stuck in the tip, rotate the tip saver either clockwise or counterclockwise while trying to remove the wire. Light the torch and see if the tip burns correctly. If the tip is still obstructed, shut down the torch, ensure the tip has cooled, and repeat the wire in the orifice procedure. Uniweld tip savers are also designed for welding and brazing tips. Using the same steps for cutting tips will ensure your welding and brazing tips will operate at optimal performance. Uniweld, quality tools that go to work with you.